Life's a matter of importance, in which organisms strive to produce offspring and let them carry their genes till the end of dawn. Cats, house cats, domesticated cats, scientifically known as Felis catus, are small felidae mammals somewhat related to the big cats of Africa. Lions and tigers exhibit as an example. Now, let us dive in and explore what wonders behold behind our friendly feline's reproduction sexually and unfold to simply see what cats do to create their little ones.
Like dogs, cats also have an estrus or heat cycle. However, female cats, which are called queens, are induced ovulators. This means that they do not ovulate or pass an egg unless they are bred. This greatly increases the chances of conception when bred, which is why stray queens often have many kittens per year.
The cat is a domestic species of small carnivorous mammal. It is the only domesticated species in the family Felidae and is commonly referred to as the domestic cat or house cat to distinguish it from the wild members of the family. Cats reproduce sexually and they become sexually mature as early as 6 to 9 months old. Female cats carry heat in the months of January to September, but house cats may experience estrous cycles all year long. Cats may come in heat around 3 to 4 times per year. It is during the estrus stage of the reproductive cycle when the female cat accepts a mate. The mating will take anywhere between 30 seconds to 5 minutes and will take place 6 to 7 times until the female rebuffs further attempts of the male to mate. Mating season can last up to 4 days. If mating was successful, ovulation will take place after 27 hours. The gestation period in domestic cats lasts between 63 to 67 days before the female gives birth to a litter with 3 to 5 kittens on average.
The advantages of sexual reproduction. It produces genetic variation in the offspring. The species can adapt to new environments due to variation, which gives them a survival advantage. A disease is less likely to affect all the individuals in a population. The disadvantages of sexual reproduction. Time and energy are needed to find a mate, and it is not possible for an isolated individual to reproduce.
Fun facts about cats. According to a Hebrew legend, God created cats after Noah prayed for help in protecting the food stores on the ark from being eaten by rats. In return, God made a lion sneeze and out came a pair of cats. Interesting, isn't it?